Hello everyone, welcome to another lunchtime review. Today I am going to try out this Cuisine Simple Favorites Classic Macaroni and Beef and Tomato Sauce. It looks pretty good. It is 270 calories, so it's not too high calorie. Sodium is 590 milligrams, probably can't see that. There you go, 590 milligrams of sodium, so that's not great, but we'll see. So I'm going to put it in the microwave. You cut a film to vent and you cook it for 5.5 minutes. So this one will be a long trip in the microwave, but I'm going to put it in there. I'll let you see what it looks like when it comes out. Forgot to show what it looks like straight out of the box. This is straight out of the box. I usually don't cut vent holes. I usually just vent a corner, but since it says to cut a vent slot, I guess I will cut a slot in the middle of it with my handy dandy pocket knife, which I didn't have open beforehand. So I'm going to struggle with it here for a second and then drop it on the bowl. Okay. There's a slot cut into it. So now I'm going to stick it in the microwave for 5.5 minutes. Okay, here it is straight out of the microwave with just the film cover removed. It smells really good. It smells a little tomatoey though, so we'll have to see. If it's too overpowering tomato, I will let you know. But so I'm going to stir this up a little bit, let it cool off, and then I will let you know what it tastes like. Okay, I've got it all stirred up, and here's a bite with a little bit of meat, a little bit of the macaroni in there, so give it a try. Very tomatoey. Actually, it's just tomatoey. It really doesn't have, there's really no spice in there. For as much salt as it had for sodium, it really doesn't taste like it. I don't know, it needs some garlic or oregano or onion or something else in there. So it's a little bland. It's just tomato. It's not horrible, but I don't know that I would get it again. 270 calories. There's better meals that for 270 calories that taste a lot better than this. This, like I said, it doesn't taste bad. It's just kind of blah. Not very exciting. Yeah, I probably wouldn't get this one again.